In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font style in Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch the font for your data so it looks clear, professional, and consistent. First, make sure your workbook is open and visible. Start by selecting the cell you want to change. Click directly on that cell so it's highlighted. This tells Excel exactly where you want the formatting to apply. If you want multiple cells to share the same look, you can select Arrange before making any changes, and the formatting will apply to all of them at once. Next, look to the top of Excel at the ribbon and make sure you're on the Home tab. In the Font section, you'll see the current font name displayed. In many spreadsheets, this might show as Calibri, but it will reflect whatever the cell is currently using. Click the font name itself to open the full list of available fonts. This drop-down is where you'll pick the style that best matches your document's purpose. Now, change it. Scroll through the list to explore your options, or start typing the first few letters of the font name to jump straight to it. When you click the font you want, Excel applies it immediately to your selected cell or range. Take a quick look at how your text appears. Different fonts can have slightly different spacing and width, so a bolder or wider style may make text look a bit more prominent, while a narrow or light font keeps things subtle. If you're choosing a font for headings, a distinctive style can make section titles stand out. For body data, a clean, easy-to-read font will usually work best. If the result doesn't look quite right, simply reopen the font list and choose another option until you're happy. You can always undo your last change if you want to go back to what you had before. And remember, the change only affects the cells you selected, not your entire workbook. That's helpful when you want to set different styles for titles, labels, and values without altering everything else. To recap in one smooth flow, click the cell you want to format, go to the Font section on the Home tab, and click the current font name, then choose the new font from the list. That's all it takes to give your spreadsheet a sharper, more readable look. Thanks for watching, and enjoy polishing your Excel sheets with the font style that best fits your data.